Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this massive cave biome in Minecraft Pocket Edition. As you guys can see, this is a huge underground cave biome which is freaking awesome. And yeah, so I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to get this in Minecraft Pocket Edition. As you all know, the Minecraft cave update is going to be coming sometime next year in summer. And now, firstly, what you need to do is click on the first link in the description down below. And once you do that, you'll be taken to mcpdl.com and more specifically this page 1.17 giant cave concept idea. And what you need to do is scroll down until you see downloads, and over here you can download kworld.mcworld or the add fly to media file link. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and download this, so don't worry, nothing will pop up. And as you guys can see, so I've already downloaded it before, so I'm just going to click on download. And the really amazing thing about this is that there are no spam ads and all of that stuff, which is really nice. It just directly downloads the map, which is freaking awesome. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, kworld1.mcworld downloaded successfully. Now what you need to do is go ahead and just click on it, alright? And now it's going to open up this. If you're on a Poco phone, if you're not on a, if you're not on a Xiaomi phone, it will not open this. What you need to do once you're here is just basically go ahead and click on open. And now it's going to ask you to open with Minecraft or MI texture. That's if you have a Xiaomi phone. But if you do not have a Xiaomi phone and you click on it, basically it's going to open up Minecraft directly without asking you anything, and then it's going to start importing the world. So as you guys can see, so now import of the world is going to start. Level import started, and now level import finished successfully. And now what you need to do is go ahead and click on play. And as you guys can see, so K-World, I already have one more downloaded, like I said, and this is the second one that I've downloaded just now. And basically you'll spawn in survival mode in a bed, so you'll have a bed in survival mode. I just switched to creative for the video just to show you guys, and it's going to be completely dark, so you have to make torches and all of that and explore. And it's going to be awesome if you have friends over, like if you want to play with friends and explore and get ready for the Minecraft 1.17 cave update. This map is totally recommended for you. And yeah, just so insane. And you do not have to be in the beta, by the way. You can be in the normal 1.16 version of the game, and you can download it there over there as well, which is really nice. And as you guys can see, so I think we still have achievements on this map. Okay, so unfortunately achievements cannot be earned, but you know, it's still a cool way to explore with your friends and all of that. And so yeah guys, so this is how you get the massive underground cave biome in Minecraft. And if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and in the meantime go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now, and I'll catch you guys over there now. See ya.